sagot ng Vice Presidente. So hindi po natin napapayagan ang ganong mga argumento na hindi naman tumutumbok dun sa topic natin.
This is a hearing of the budget of 2025. Nasaan dito ang confidential funds? Ang topic natin dito at ang pinasubmit ninyo sa amin is the budget proposal of 2025. Where in the budget proposal of 2025 is the item confidential funds. Sa in aid of legislation nga ninyo, nakalagay nga doon sa rules ninyo, diba? The discussion should be germane to the topic. The topic is a 2025 budget proposal. Now tell me,
Madam
Where
Vice
is
President, the Honorable Franz
confidential
Castro
funds?
has already provided a sufficient explanation for why she asked the question. So please proceed with your
So,
answer.
Madam Chair,
It's a very
why
simple
are we
question.
discussing the budget of 2023 and 2024? Madam Chair.
Yes, you may proceed.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing.
So, ibig sabihin, illegal yung paggamit nito. Madam Chair, nitong mga items na binanggit ko po,
Madam Chair,
Yes,
you
Madam
cannot
Vice President.
you cannot allow a member of the House to just claim that it is illegal.
Well,
Diba?
you have,
That is a
Madam
notice
Chair.
of disallowance. That is a procedure inside the Commission on Audit. Hindi sa upuan niya.
since ayaw may paliwanag. So, hindi pwede yung ganyan na, yung tactics na ganyan, na parang, parang sorry for the pusit, na kapag nasusukol na ang pusit, ay nagaano ng maitim na tinta. So,
Chair,
Hindi na po tayo matatapos.
yan ang sinabi ko sa iyo kanina. Ayaw mo maniwala sa akin eh. Aabot talaga tayo ng bukas dito. Diba? Madam Chair.
Is
Yes.
this an inquiry regarding...
What you said.
Yes, you may proceed
So if
po.
you allow members of the House of Representatives lines like what you just said, like pusit, bakit mo ako kinocrucify for saying a fact that somebody is convicted of child abuse sitting in the chair? Pusit, and then I cannot fire
Chair.
the presiding chair. So bakit?
Yes, we...
Bakit napaka one-sided nito, ma'am?
Noted po.
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at nag-iisa ako dito?
We're not talking to our resource speaker, because she's asking a question and she's accusing some of the members of this committee. I just would like to find out if we are the ones that have the right to ask questions and her right is to answer the questions of the committee.
Okay, so with
Yun lang
that-
po sa akin yung point of order, Madam Chair.
Yes.
I think you understand me,
Salas.
Madam Vice President. Am I right?
No, sir. I'm gonna ask
No, so-
the chair to ask you to clarify what are my
So,
accusations.
Yeah, please wait to be recognized, ma'am.